Hey, Spirit Taekwondo family, Master Starnes here, and we're going to be going over how to do a middle punch. First and foremost, we need to make a proper fist. So make sure you fold your fingers all the way in, really tight, until you can't fold them anymore. And then you're going to make your thumb, from a thumbs up position, you're going to wrap it around your fingers. And the middle knuckle of your thumb should be in line between the crease of the first two fingers. And then make sure that it doesn't peek out, and it folds over just this part of the fingers. From there, you got to make sure your knuckles and your wrists are in the same line, so it's flat as opposed to down or up. Okay, and from the side view, it's flat from here to here. Flat line is opposed to down or up. Up or down. Then from there, we're going to keep our hands here on our waist, and we're going to punch a middle punch from this stance first, which is a Naran Hisagi. You're going to push your elbow to your waist without twisting your arm, and once your elbow reaches your waist, you're going to twist so that your palm faces the floor. Please notice that it's a middle punch, so it's in front of the solar plexus, as opposed to in front of your shoulder or higher or lower. So it's going to be right directly in front. And also the arm comes inward, not straight like this, but inward towards the center line of your body, which is the spine line. Okay, so we're here, pushing the elbow directly forward, switching to the other side. This is how to make your middle punch. These are the middle punches. Practice a lot at home. Another way to practice a middle punch is from a fighting stance. So from here, you could take your back hand, punch towards the middle, which is towards the body. So a middle punch is a body punch. And we practice on ourselves. If we don't have a partner, we always use our own body. So you pretend that there's somebody the exact same size as you, and you aim towards that part. That's why we use the middle of our own body. There's a middle punch from a fighting stance. You can also do from other stances as well, but this is the proper form of a middle punch. Practice at home, have a lot of fun, improve your techniques, and thank you for watching.